Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Spend the day with me as I make Zobo drink or Zobo juice. I don't have the complete ingredient to make this Zobo, but I have this remaining Zobo that has been in my house for like 2 months now, and I don't want it to waste, so I just have to make it like that anyways. So after selecting the Zobo, I had to pour enough water and wash it properly because normally this Zobo usually comes with a lot of sand. So here I have dates, that's debino, I have ginger, and I have cloves. So I just blend everything together, seal it, and then set it aside. So here is the juice. And now my Zobo is done. After sieving it, I had to let it cool for more than 2 hours because it was very hot. So I had to let it cool, and then I came back after 2 hours to come and squeeze it. So I then sieve it again, then pour in my juice. Actually, I wanted to make this Zobo without any flavor, without any fruit, because I don't have them. But if you have, you can add your pineapple and your orange and any other fruit. But when I tested it, oh my god, the taste was yucky. I had to add a pineapple flavor to it so that at least someone can drink it. So now I had to transfer them to the cans and then to the freezer for it to cool. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.